Welcome, hobbyists, enthusiasts. We have here Cletus EC5 tool. You can find his STL files on Thingiverse. Search EC5 tool. I'm going to demonstrate how I use this Cletus tool for insertion and extraction. I have modified his version and made it a bit longer to ease and facilitate the connector. But if you got the original STLs, it will work just fine. First, a sample of a soldered connector male EC5 onto a wire. For this purposes, the wire will be longer. First thing you do is insert the wire into the EC5 connector. Then, once that's inserted, you solder on either the male or the female, depending on your connector needs. Once that's done, you put it in the connector as such. I use the mating end and stick it firmly into that pin. I then insert with one wire on this side of the base clamp. Note this piece that is cut in half sleeve. That is where I would insert it into the clamp, as you can see right in there. And then by gently manipulating it so that it goes in and it's tight fit, you can get it inserted as such. And all you have to do is rotate this knob and you feel an indentation that the pin has went in, and in this case it's loose now. You probably heard a snap, that means it went in. Remove it, or back off the thing and pull it out. Remove the pin, and there you go. EC5 is in. We can do the same for the other end of the mount, which is the same principle. For extraction, the same thing. Again, when you extract it, it doesn't matter because you're not probably using the plastic. You just reverse the procedure and put it back in. Thanks for watching.